and welcome back to a brand new video. So it's the Coach Rally Championship 70th, based in Blackpool. So we're going to have a bit of a look around, see some of the wonderful machines what are on show today. And this is a two-day event, so come and join me on this one. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a bit of a drive down along, just speed things up a little more at some of the coaches what have landed in Blackpool. And you see there, Bland's, some of them are really fantastic. So this is a two-day special event. And they have like the mini buses and the coaches. Look at that one, that's an old one there. Kenzie's Tours, look at that. Superb condition. And there's judges as well, so they inspect it. And you see each one of these. Oh, clean every last little speckle. And there's a bit of a high tide in Blackpool, so.
How you doing?
Yeah, you're right. So it's a bit of a high tide in Blackpool, so it will be quite hard to keep them immaculate. I'd imagine there'll probably be something going over them quite a few times. So we will see a lot of these, a lot more closer up. Like I said, just a quick flying visit down AP Travel. Look at that one. Like I said, this goes all the way right from the Metropole Hotel all the way backs up to Ginn Square. That's how many of the coaches have entered, and this is the 70th Coach Rally. Just looking towards the North Pier, just see how rough this sea is, and it's certainly crashing the waves. Like I said, they'll be cleaning the coaches, and all the residue off this sea will be getting on there. So I'd imagine it'll be like, as soon as they clean it, they'll be starting again. Very high tide, I think 9.4 today in Blackpool. So this one you can see there, that represents a fueling, a little fuel pump. And like I said, there's little obstacles and all sorts along the way. And this one's J&C Travel, this one. You see he's going to refuel there. You can just hear the waves in the background. So this is like what represents like one of the obstacles, like a bridge. You can see it's actually quite narrow, and like I say, they get points for each one of these obstacles. They've got like a pretend garage, hypothetical garage, bridges, fueling stations, and that one is Archway. So as I mentioned, this is the 70th UK Coach Rally, and today's Saturday, so it's a two-day event, and all the competitors, basically what they do, they drive for about 50 miles through the glorious Lancashire countryside, and then they go through all the driving tests, and in the evening they're staying at the Grand Hotel for a luxurious meal. On Sunday there'll be a lineup, and the judge will be on the comedy carpet inspecting all the coaches. So it is an absolutely fantastic event, and it certainly draws many a crowd in. And the one we're about to see is actually a local one based in Blackpool. So we wish them all the very best of luck in this competition. So they're not allowed to use the cameras. It's literally all line of sight by the mirrors. So there's no cameras. All the cameras are switched off on these coaches. Like I say, just edging past, and there he goes to the fueling station. So you can probably just see coming into focus now, Tours at Blackpool on the side of that coach. And that stunning burgundy red Swan Tours, Blackpool. So just near the comedy carpet now, once they complete the tests, they head on down to the comedy carpet and park up and put these great machines on display for the public to go and inspect and have a bit of a look around. So like I said, we'll have a quick look around, just see some of the wonderful coaches on display in Blackpool today. And that is some beast right there, that Scania, look at that. And it's like a sort of headquarters or something, but you can see there's chairs outside, and looks like the people in there. So it's like a bit of a show thing, that one. The Scania, look at that. So as more and more coaches line up on the comedy carpet, that's a great look. I always mention that in the videos when I do see, and that's Throff Missile, just to the left-hand side of the screen. Amazing hot chocolate coffees, and they are here today and tomorrow. So if you are visiting Blackpool, go and try one of their coffees. Absolutely top class. And another one's like people are pouring in and out of this one. Skills coaches. I don't think that's part of the event. I'd imagine that's probably sort of picking people up who have been on a holiday, perhaps. Maybe they're going to a football match. Who knows? But like I said, a great day out in Blackpool at the moment, and the weather is holding off. Yeah, so it looks like it is part of the football's moved the camera back again. I think he's shouting Bristol. So are they playing Bristol? So there it goes to meet the other group on the comedy carpet. And that's the route they take. So they start, like I said, all the way from the Gin roundabout. They do the test and they weave themselves to the comedy carpet, where they go on display for everybody just to admire. Absolutely, like I said, incredible machines. And we're back out for day 2 of the coach rally. So this is the second day, and this is where all the judges will be judging all the different coaches, and there's different winners for different things. Like I said, an absolutely fantastic day today, far better than yesterday. So we're going to have a quick scout round, see what's going on day 2. Bit of a tight gap, this one, look at that. So this is Sharps. I'm sure we filmed this one yesterday. Some really beautiful machines on display. And just near the comedy, in fact on the comedy carpet, you can just see rows and rows of fantastic machines, and there's so many people, so many enthusiasts out and about today. And there's a bit of a drive-in test again near the Metropole where it was yesterday, so we'll go and head over there shortly. And what a day today, weather-wise, absolutely remarkable. And it looks like those two have just come out of that Rolls-Royce, is it there? So I'm not too sure who they are, but you see a nice swish Rolls-Royce. Look at that one. You don't see that every day. And the horse and carriages are back out once again. And I'd imagine they'll be quite busy, especially with the weather today. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's another great event ticked off from the calendar in Blackpool. So enjoy the rest of your evening. Take care, as always. It's a bye from me, and it is a bye from Blackpool today. Take care. Bye-bye.